When it comes to free money, I'm sure most of us are on board, if not all of us. But does the Fetch Rewards program make it worth it for us to get cash back, or are we better off just ignoring it and looking elsewhere? Well, that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hello everyone, this is Elijah with the RideShare Guy, and in this video we're going to be talking about the Fetch Rewards program, the Fetch Rewards app, and whether it's worth it to play around with it and get cash back, or should you look elsewhere to fulfill your cashback needs. So right off the bat, what is Fetch Rewards? Fetch Rewards is a program that allows you to redeem certain receipts in exchange for certain points, and those points can then be redeemed for various gift cards that are associated with the program. For the most part, these receipts usually revolve around grocery shopping, although there are other receipts that you can submit like Walmart and Costco and other businesses that are similar in that niche that you can also redeem receipts from in order to get points. Now, in order for us to review the app and officially answer that question that we asked at the beginning of this video, we got to actually know the process of how one redeemed their receipts, and also how convenient is it for them to redeem the points ultimately and get what they want from it. So we're going to take a quick detour to the app itself and go over exactly how to submit a receipt, how the app works, and also how to redeem points. So let's go over there. So the first thing we got to do is sign up, and you can do that using the email or with Google or Facebook. So the choice is yours. Once you've signed up, it's going to ask for your phone number and also which state you're in. They'll need that information to move forward with your account. On this screen, they're asking if you have a referral code. You can enter it here. If you signed up using our link, which is in the description and pinned comment, our code will automatically be on there, so feel free to use it, and you'll be able to get some free points with Fetch right off the bat. On this screen, it's letting you know what big players that they're partnered with in terms of brands. So if you scan any receipts from these players, you'll be getting some big points. So let's briefly go over some of the features of the app. We're currently on the home page, and as you can see the brands that are associated with Fetch Rewards. You can see certain offers they have going on, like 15,000 points if you spend $100 on One Touch products. It lets you know the dates that the offer is valid through. As you can see, there are a lot of offers. We're not going to go through them all, but I'm pretty sure you get the picture. You can click on the activity button at the bottom of the screen, and it lets you know the amount of activity that you had throughout the year. Let's move over to the rewards section. And this is probably the section you have the most interest in. And if we click on the Me button at the bottom right-hand corner, this lets you manage your account. And it also lets you know if you have any notifications. And this is also the place where you can refer a friend and y'all can both get some points. If at any point you need help with anything involving Fetch, you can always just go to their help center in this part right here. What we'll cover next is how to actually redeem a receipt. So assuming you've done your shopping and you have your receipt, whether it's online or it's a physical receipt, you're going to go over the process of scanning it. So you want to click that photo icon, and then we're going to give Fetch Rewards permission to take pictures and record videos. They'll need that. Then it's letting us know that we have to take a picture of the receipt. You want to make sure that you capture everything, including the store name. If the store name is missing, there's a chance you might not get points for it, so make sure you include that store name. And don't be afraid to take multiple pictures if need be, if the receipt is long. It's all about making sure that it's legible, so if you have to take multiple pictures, just feel free to zoom in and get those multiple pics so you can get your points. Once it's finished scanning the receipt, it's usually pretty accurate in terms of kind of guessing which store, or not guessing, but pulling up which store that you were shopping at. But sometimes it may get it wrong because it's not legible enough. The ink isn't black enough. If that's the case, just correct it. As you see on the screen, they got the name quite wrong. So I typed in Sprouts Farmers Market. Then I press confirm store name. Then it takes a little while for the receipt to process the first time you submit it from a new store. I find that once I've finished the first time, anytime going forward, I get points pretty much within a few seconds, but usually that first time does take a little while, so just tweak your expectations based on that. And then boom, that's the process of submitting a receipt. Then you're rewarded your points, which you can use right away. So I now have enough points to actually redeem some rewards. So I'm going to find something to redeem. And I'm going to find an Amazon gift card. So we have Amazon gift card. Click on that. I'm going to choose to redeem 5,000 points, which is going to be $5 worth. I'm going to press get my $5 reward. Ready to claim this reward. For the security of this account, first time gift card redemptions may take up to 3 days to be processed. I'm going to click use points for reward. And it now says your reward is being processed. Go to my rewards and follow the link to view your reward details and status. Once processed, we will send your reward to the email address linked to your Fetch Rewards account. Then from there, I can redeem it. Okay, so I'm in my inbox right now, looking for that Fetch Rewards email since it's been 3 days. And here it is. So I'm going to click on the email. It says the reward is in. And now it gives me instructions on how to do it. I'm going to click redeem. Then it's taking me to the next step. It's asking me to log in my Amazon account. So I'm going to do that real quick. And now I'm on this screen. It's asking me to redeem the code that Fetch gave me. So I'm just going to go back to my email, copy that code. So give me 1 sec. Select all, copy, and go back to the Amazon, paste that code. Then hit apply to your balance. And there we go. Next time I add things to my Amazon cart and make a purchase, I will be getting $5 off. Now that we know how the app works, we can answer that question. Is Fetch Rewards worth it? Is it the best cashback app out there? I personally say it is worth it if you do it in a certain form. You can go through the whole app, look at what deals are on the table, and then coagulate your shopping based on those deals. But to me, that's a little too much work. I'd rather just do my normal shopping, then submit the receipt, and then just get points back based on that receipt. Those points stack up, and whatever reward that I was trying to save up towards, once I hit it, I go ahead and use that reward. Very passive approach towards doing it, but if you wanted to really maximize it, you could arrange your shopping based on those deals and get higher points. You can also get more points by referring others to the service if you're finding value in it. And speaking of the service, if you're interested in signing up for Fetch Rewards, you can do so by clicking on the link in the description below or in the pinned comment. Depending on what promo they're running, that will give you a huge amount of points if you sign up using that link, and those points can go towards redeeming gift cards. So me personally, I give Fetch Rewards a thumbs up. I definitely say it's worth it. Is it my favorite cashback app or service? I would say no. That still goes to GetUpside, which allows you to get cash back directly from you spending gas at select gas stations. If you want to know more about GetUpside, you can check out our review right here. But that does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, as well as any questions. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that bell notification and get a video a like if you found value in it. We publish new videos every single week, so stay tuned for our next video. This is Elijah with the RideShare Guy. Be safe and profitable, everyone.